Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahadi English School. This video is for students of Standard 2 subject Science. So today's thought is this: believe you can and you are halfway there. So the meaning of this thought is that you have to believe in yourself. Means whatever you think you can do it. You should have that kind of belief in yourself. You should have confidence in yourself that you can achieve anything and you can do wonders, and half of the problem is solved. These are the instructions I want you all to follow. Early to bed, early to rise, brush your teeth twice a day, wash your hands before and after meal, avoid junk food, exercise regularly, take bath every day, go to school on time whenever your school starts, and be attentive in the classroom when the teacher is teaching you. While watching the video, you have to be attentive what is being explained. Then, in our video today, we will continue with the revision of lesson number 9 and lesson number 10 as you have an upcoming exam. I will give the revision of the previous video. Then we will revise the notes according to the paper style of the exam, and we will solve some interesting puzzles. So let us begin with the revision part. So in the previous video we revised lesson number 9, rocks and minerals, lesson number 10, air around us, according to the paper style. So first we had revised MCQ, choose the correct option, of lesson number 9. Then we had revised MCQ of lesson number 10. And after revising MCQ, what had we done? We had revised the fill in the blanks of lesson 9 and lesson 10. The earth is mainly made up of rocks. Sandstone is hard but not as hard as granite. All the rocks are made up of minerals. Gemstones are commonly used in making jewelry. Iron is used to make nails. Quartz is used to make watches. Then moving air is called wind. Wind helps clothes dry faster. A storm can be dangerous and it can damage trees and houses. Smoke comes out of vehicles and makes the air dirty. Germs enter the air when someone sneezes. Then we had done match the following of lesson 9 and lesson 10. Now let us continue with true or false that we had discontinued from. From here we shall continue true or false of lesson 9 and then lesson number 10. So number 1, rocks are found only on beaches. It is false because rocks are found on mountains, hills, valleys, everywhere, even under the rivers and seas. So, rocks are not found only on the beaches, rocks are found everywhere. So, this is false. Number 2, all the rocks are the same. False, because the rocks can be of different colors such as white, black, red and grey. They are of different types. So, this is also false. Then number 3, granite is used to make wooden houses. It is false. Granite is not used to make wooden houses because granite is used to make kitchen counters, not wooden houses. So it is false. Number 4, the Taj Mahal is made up of marble. Is it true? Yes, the Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. So these were the 4 true or false of lesson number 9. Now let us revise true or false of lesson number 10. Lesson number 10 is air around us. Number 1, air does not contain water vapor. Is it true? It is false because air does contain water vapor. Here it is given air does not contain water vapor. So this is false. Number 2, A gentle wind is called a storm. False, because a gentle wind is called breeze. But the storm is something when it is a heavy wind at a great speed and it destroys houses, trees. That is called storm. But this is false. Then number 3, wind can turn the blades of a windmill. That is true, because wind turns the blades of windmill. It can help the boat sail. We can fly the kite. So this is true. Number 4, wind is always harmful for us. It is false, because gentle wind is called breeze and we enjoy it. So wind is not always harmful for us, but sometimes when it is storm, the wind at a great speed, at that time it can be harmful, but this is false. Number 5, clean air makes us ill. Is it? No, it's false, because clean air will keep us healthy. Neat and clean air is good for us. So this is false, because clean air makes us ill. That is written, that is false. Then give one word. Give one word. Number 1, a hard rock is used to make kitchen counters. Which is the hard rock that is used for making the kitchen counters? That is granite. What is the spelling? Granite, granite. That is the hard rock used to make kitchen counters. Granite. Number 2, a hard rock used to make the Taj Mahal. So which rock is used for making the Taj Mahal? That is marble. Marble, marble. Marble is also a hard rock. It is used for making buildings, statues and floors. So marble is a hard rock used for making Taj Mahal. Number 3, a soft rock whose name starts with S. Which is the soft rock? This one. The name starts with S. That is slate. 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 So some rocks are soft and slate is example of soft rock. Why do we use it? We use it for writing on it. Right? Number 4, a mineral that is used in watches. Which mineral is used for making watches? So that is quartz. 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 A mineral used in watches. Quartz. 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 Then number 5, a mineral that is used to make talcum powder. Which is the mineral that we use for making talcum powder? That is talc. See, the name talcum itself includes the word talc. 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 Talc is the mineral used for making talcum powder. Then give one word of lesson number 10, air around us. Number 1, a gentle wind. Dash. A gentle wind is called breeze. 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 This is gentle wind. Number 2, wind that is strong and blows very fast. That is called storm. 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 It blows very fast and can destroy houses and trees. Number 3, water changes to this when it is heated. So when the water is heated, what does it change to? It changes into water vapor. See, when you boil the water, when you heat it, then it will change into water vapor. WATER, VAPOUR, water vapor. Number 4, we get this when something burns. So when something is burnt on the ground, what comes out of it? You can see over here in the image, what comes out when something is burnt? Smoke. 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 Smoke comes out when something is burnt. Number 5, the kind of air that makes us ill. We get sick with which kind of air? Dirty air. DIRTY. Dirty air. DIRTY. Dirty air makes us ill. So these are the 5 given word of lesson number 10. Now, question and answers. Let us learn and revise question answers of lesson number 9. Question number 1. What are rocks made up of? All the rocks are made up of minerals. So I am underlining the word wherein you have to learn the spellings. MINERALS, minerals. So all the rocks are made up of minerals. All the rocks are made up of minerals. Question number 2. Name any 3 minerals. You have to give the names of any 3 minerals. So let us write the names: talc, diamond, iron. These are the 3 minerals that we have written: talc, diamond, iron. TALC, talc. DAIMOND, diamond. IRON, iron. These are the names of the 3 minerals. Question number 3. What is the earth mainly made up of? What is their maximum on the earth, or what makes up our earth? So the earth is mainly made up of rocks. We have learned in the lessons rocks and minerals. In that we have seen the first thing, rocks are there on our earth, and our earth is mainly made up of rocks. So these were the 3 question answers. Then question number 4. Name any 2 hard rocks. We have to write the names of any 2 hard rocks, right? One is granite, the other one is marble. GRANITE, granite. MARBLE, marble. Granite and marble are 2 hard rocks. Question number 5. What are minerals? So materials that make up rocks are called minerals. The materials that make up rocks. This much is important, which I have underlined. Materials, all the things that make up a rock. A big stone is called rock. So all the materials that make up a big stone, a big rock, that are called minerals. We have also studied about different kind of minerals, lesson number 9. Then let's learn and revise the question answers of lesson number 10. Question 1. What is wind? So moving air is called wind. The important words are the first 2. Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. Right? Question number 2. What happens when something burns like this? See, when something burns, what happens then? Smoke is given off when something burns. So you have to learn this much. Smoke is given off. OFF. Remember the spelling OFF. Smoke is given off when something burns. Smoke is given off when something burns. Right? Now, question number 3. What makes the air dirty? How does our air become dirty, or what makes the air dirty. Dust, smoke, and germs. These things make our air dirty. See, dust, smoke, and germs. I have underlined the words dust, dust, smoke, smoke, germs, germs. Dust, smoke, and germs. These things you can see over here, they make the air dirty. Question number 4. Why should we grow more plants? What is the reason? Why? Why are the plants needed? So, answer is plants keep air fresh and clean. So, we should grow more and more plants. Why should we grow? Because plants, see over here you can see plants. So, plants they keep our air fresh and clean. And when you breathe in fresh and clean air, you will never fall sick, right? So you should grow more and more plants in your surroundings. Now here we have jumble words game. As jumble words are there in your exam, so it is better that we revise so that in exam you can write the answers correctly. The first one you can see over here, you have to make the answer from this. What is this word? You have 3 seconds. It is a type of rock. It is a type of rock. And what type of rock? It is a very hard rock. The answer is granite. The spelling I will write Granite. 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 Number 2. Again, this is a type of hard rock used for making buildings, statues and floors. It starts with M. What word it is? Marble. 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 Then the next it starts with S. It is also hard, but it is not very hard like granite or marble. This is not very hard. And Red Fort in Delhi was made with this. So the answer is Sandstone. 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 Then this is the blackest black color. It is very black in color. What type of rock it is? Coal. 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 Then this is a very soft rock. It is used for writing on the slate, for writing on the blackboard. It is of white color. It can be of many other colors. It starts with C. The word is Chalk. 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 Number 6. This is a type of soft rock just like chalk. This is also very soft. It is used for writing on it and students use this for writing. Slate. 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 Then this is the name of the lesson. We have learnt lesson number 9, rocks and dash. What it is? So let us write the answer. Minerals. 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 Then next, it starts with I. What is the name of this? Iron. 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 Then number 9. What is the name of this mineral or rock that you can see over here? What is the name? It is tungsten. Let's write the spelling. Tungsten. Tungsten is a very rare metal which is found naturally on the earth. It is a very rare metal. Then the last one. What is this? This is something which is used for making watches. It is a type of mineral. So let's write the answer. QUARTZ, quartz. What is it? QUARTZ, quartz, used for making watches. Next, number 11. What is the name of number 11, number 12, number 13, 14, and 15? These you have to do in homework. Number 11 till number 15, that is your homework that you have to solve it. You can take the screenshot and you can find the answers of all these 5 and you can send me. I will check whether it is correct. Now we have a short puzzle. Let us solve this puzzle and have fun. It is a fun puzzle related to our lesson 9 and 10. So we have to find these words from the grid. Okay, so let us find GRANITE, granite. Where can you find granite? Can you find it? See, you have 5 minutes. You have to search for all these words. Then I will give you the answers. Here is sandstone, chalk, minerals, tungsten, garnet, emerald, gemstone, talc, china clay, silica, graphite, marble, coal, slate, iron, quartz. So let us find number 1, granite. I hope you have found it already and you are just waiting for me to mark it. Here is the word granite. Can you see over here? Granite. Then number 2, sandstone. Can you find sandstone? Where it is? Here it is. You can see just below that. Sandstone. So I will just circle it. I will just highlight that with triangle, with rectangle, so that you can just find out from the word grid. Sandstone. Then where is it? Chalk. Where is chalk? Can you find out where it is? CHALK, chalk. So chalk is over here. See the standing line. Chalk. CHALK, chalk. I will just highlight it so that it is easy for you to mark the answer. CHALK, chalk. It is over here. Then minerals. Where can you find this word? Minerals. Just above the sandstone and just below granite. See this word. MINERALS. Minerals. See. Then tungsten. Where can you find the word tungsten? It starts with T. Can you just find the word tungsten? So that word is over here. You can see the word tungsten. The standing line you can see. Tungsten. 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 Then garnet. Where could you find the word garnet? That is over here. See, garnet. I will highlight that word so that it is easy for you to mark. Garnet. Then next we have emerald. See, emerald. It is over here. The standing line. Emerald. 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 Right? Then gemstone. Where do you find the word gemstone? It is over here, the second last. Sleeping line it is. Gemstone. 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 Then we have talc. 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 That word is over here. TALC. Talc. Next, china clay. Where do you find the word china clay? Just have a look quickly and try to find out the answer. It is in the first line itself. China clay. CHINA C-L-A-Y, China clay. Then we have the word silica, S-I-L-I-C-A, silica. So did you get that word? Where it is? It is over here. See, it is in reverse order, S-I-L-A-C-A, silica. But it is in reverse order. I hope you can see. S-I-L-I-C-A, silica, reverse order. Then graphite. Did you find that word? Graphite. Yes, I am sure you would have found that word. Graphite. It is in the last line in reverse order. See, G-R-A-P-H-I-T-E, graphite. Last line but in reverse order. Then marble. Where could you find the word marble? Have a look quickly and get that word. Here is the word marble. So I will mark that M-A-R-B-L-E, marble. Then we have the word coal, C-O-A-L, coal. It is in the last line. You can see over here at the bottom, C-O-A-L, coal, here. Then slate, S-L-A-T-E, slate. That word you can see in the standing line over here, S-L-A-T-E, slate, S-L-A-T-E, slate. Then we have second last word, iron. That is also in the reverse order over here, I-R-O-N, iron. See, reverse order, I-R-O-N, iron. And the last one we have quartz. Where it is? Quartz, you can find the last line standing, Q-U-A-R-T-Z, quartz. That is the last line standing. So this was the puzzle that we solved about lesson 9, rocks and minerals. In the next lecture, we will solve the puzzle of lesson number 10, air around us. So I hope you liked the video and you enjoyed the video. What will you do today in homework? You have to revise lesson 9 and lesson 10. You have to write all this MCQ one time of lesson 9 and lesson 10. You will also write fill in the blanks one time in rough book of both the chapters. You will write match the following one time of both the chapters. Then if you have time, you can also write true or false. All these things are revision exercises that we have done in today's lecture. So you have to write all the objectives one time, and tomorrow you will write all the question answers one time. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.